Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is blueberries. We'll be making blueberry and peach hand pies and open-faced grilled cheese with blueberries, tomatoes, and brie. Joining me is Dr. Jennifer Janko from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett. Shall we?
I'm going to start by toasting off my bread.
Okay.
And then we'll go over and start talking about the pie a little bit. So
Great. Let's talk a little bit about the blueberry.
It's one of my favorite topics. I love blueberry. I truly do love blueberries.
I do as well.
So that little berry, right, this little tiny berry here has so much good stuff in it. It packs a lot of punch for this. So you're getting a ton of vitamins, more than I can even list. But I think the important concept is, what does all those things do for you?
Sure.
So it can cut down on some inflammation. A lot of diseases or inflammatory conditions in your body. So it has some anti-inflammatory types of properties from the flavonoids. You're also, like I said, just getting all the benefits of the berry itself by the vitamins, the A, the B, the C, right. And many more that are in there. And they taste good.
I mixed together my tomatoes and some blueberries. I had like a rosemary that was infused in some honey.
Okay.
I tossed that in there. I put a little black pepper. I put some salt, put a little pinch of sugar. And that's going to be kind of like our topping for our open-faced crostini, okay? We're going to toast our bread a little bit, let that go another second, and then we're going to put our brie cheese right on top of there.
Okay.
And just pop it in the oven for a second, and that's going to be pretty much done. Our pie is pretty simple too. We have blueberries. And just as if you were making a blueberry pie, you just want to toss them with a little bit of cornstarch.
Okay.
Okay, a little sugar. We add some peaches to it. Mm-hmm. Okay. We're going to put a little squirt of lemon just to have a little bit of acid.
Okay.
Okay.
Peaches and blueberries, I think, go nice together.
They really do. You see them together a lot. Yeah.
They're two great foods that you can go to a farm and pick too, and your kids can get active and involved in the process.
Sugar is as much as you like.
Well, they're sweet on their own,
Yeah.
which is another
Yeah, a
great
little sprinkle of
benefit,
sugar
that
doesn't
you don't
hurt.
need to add a lot of extra sugar.
And then we just put a little bit of cornstarch flour
to kinda
mixture
hold
just
it
to kind of
together.
like, yeah, when it cooks, it'll kind of like create a little sauce. Okay, and that's pretty much our pie mixture.
Well, that
Okay.
took just
colorful.
2 seconds.
We're going to use a store-bought pie crust.
Okay.
So we just cut it in half. We took it
Okay.
out of the tin, and that's going to be our dough for our filling.
Okay, great.
Doctor, you want to do that? The
I
one?
would love to
I'll
do
swing
that.
back around. I'll fold it for you.
Okay.
Let's not overfill it too much.
I know, this is very key ingredient here. I don't want to mess it up.
You're doing
And
great.
on this,
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna put
I appreciate the confidence.
my brie cheese.
Now, how old should kids be before you introduce the blueberry? They're
Blueberries,
small.
you know, I'd say not as the whole blueberry, but like, you know, the pureed food of blueberry, anywhere after 6 months I think is fine. But the actual blueberry like that should be a little bit older just because of a choking risk. I'd
Sure.
say probably closer to, 9 months to a year. But in that really pureed form, after 6 months would be fine. How'd I do?
Great. So we'll just put a little bit of egg around
Just
the
to
outside.
seal it?
Yep. And you can sprinkle the end result with a little bit of sugar, just get a little caramelization on top.
I like it when it looks like that.
We're just put it in. I have it at it's 400. It works well at 350 or 400.
Okay.
And I put our crostinis in with our brie.
Wow,
Look at
fancy.
Our brie is nice and warmed up. Okay. Put a little bit of olive oil on our arugula.
And then we just put that a little on the side. Just to,
Put that on top.
oh, right on top.
Oh, wow.
Let's check our pies
Oh,
that
yes.
we had in the
I
oven
got
originally.
so distracted with that, I forgot about our pies.
Okay. Our first two
Oh.
pies look great.
They look fantastic.
Okay. We can top these with a little bit of whipped cream just to make them look nice. Blueberries on top.
This looks amazing. Shall we try it?
Good.
Okay.
Pies first.
Good.
Delicious. Tastes like blueberry peach pie.
Oh, it's so the warmth
That
of the
is so
warm
good.
fruit.
It's great. I'm going to give you a
Absolutely.
Well
crostini
done.
each, ladies.
Oh my gosh, that is so delicious.
The blueberry brie combination is perfect.
Fantastic.
So good.
Really great job.
I can't stop eating.
I know.
It's delicious. It really is. The
I'm going
rosemary's
for a
great with
second
the tune. Yeah, very good.